In this video, we're going to show you how to fix a Shopify app that's stuck on loading or installing. Installing apps is one of the easiest ways to add new features to your Shopify store. However, sometimes an app may remain stuck on a loading screen or never finish installing, preventing you from using its features. This issue can be caused by a temporary browser problem, a slow internet connection, permission issues, or a temporary service interruption during the installation process. The good news is that most app installation problems can be resolved with a few simple troubleshooting steps. By the end of this video, you'll know how to identify the cause of the problem and successfully complete the app installation. So, let's get started. The first method is to refresh your Shopify admin. If the installation appears frozen, wait a few moments to ensure it isn't simply taking longer than expected. Then, refresh your browser and check whether the app has finished installing. Sometimes the installation completes successfully even though the progress indicator doesn't update immediately. If the app is still stuck, sign out of your Shopify admin and sign back in. This refreshes your session and can resolve temporary loading issues. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can interrupt communication between Shopify and the app during installation. Verify that other websites load normally before attempting the installation again. Another useful step is to clear your browser cache and cookies, or try opening Shopify in a private browsing window. You can also try installing the app using a different supported browser to determine whether the issue is browser-related. If the installation continues to fail, remove the partially installed app if it appears in your apps list, then start the installation again from the Shopify App Store. Beginning with a fresh installation often resolves temporary setup problems. You should also verify that your Shopify account has permission to install applications. If you're using a staff account, your account permissions may restrict app installation. Finally, if multiple apps are experiencing the same issue, the problem may be due to a temporary platform or app service interruption. Waiting a short time and trying again later can often resolve the issue. In most situations, these troubleshooting methods will complete the installation successfully. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, refresh Shopify and sign back into your account. Second, verify your internet connection and try another browser if needed. And third, reinstall the app and confirm that you have permission to install applications. Remember that most installation problems are temporary and are often related to browser sessions, network connectivity, or incomplete installation requests. Working through these troubleshooting steps one at a time makes it much easier to identify the cause and get your app installed successfully. And that's how to fix a Shopify app that's stuck on loading or installing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to build a successful Shopify store. Your support helps us create more tutorials, e-commerce guides, and practical tips to help you grow your online business. If there's another Shopify feature you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.